And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why we need to continue holding within this area on the short term, and above all, take a look at the weekly chart, giving you my long-term perspective of the Hbar chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, you can see that from the lows we made on the 9th of September 2024, we saw these very aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.4 USDT mark. And you can see that on that massive bounce, the market was up more than 68.18%. And after we peaked in the formation of that first wave of this idiot wave structure, we started a breakdown move to the downside in the formation of a second wave. And you can see that from the highs we made in the formation of that first wave to the lows we made in this wave 2, the market at some point was down more than 68.53%, and the minimum target area for that second wave has been highlighted on the charts using that blue target area between the 0.221 and the 0.12 mark, where you can see that we found support and then started this bounce over here that peaked above the 0.3 USDT mark. And then you can see that from that significant high, we have seen a bit of a breakdown move. And at some point on the day we got that massive liquidation event, that is on the 6th of October, the market was down more than 76.07% to the downside. But you can see that we got a massive buyback, and that is better seen here on the daily chart. So here on the daily chart, you can see the massive buyback back into a key area of support for a second wave of these 1-2 setup that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 22nd of June, where you can see we picked impulsively in that wave 1 and then started a corrective structure in this wave 2, though we have a bit of an anomaly over here because of the massive liquidation event. But you can see that we managed to close that daily candlestick within our key area of support, and that means that we can still give this second wave a benefit of doubt and expect that in case we continue holding within this yellow target area, there is a chance of a reversal in this wave 3 over here, whose minimum target area, even using the fib extensions, assuming that this low over here is the low for that second wave, and all we need to do is just connect the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1 all the way to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that we can pay attention to in that third wave lies on the fib level 1.618 above the 0.447, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming weeks, then expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. Alternatively, we can also get another breakdown move in the next coming days, and if by any chance we see another pullback, losing the significant lows, the significant low we made below the 0.159, then that will be the start of another breakdown move to the downside to maybe fill in this week that we left over here, or maybe get a 50% retrace into the week before we can find support and then start another reversal to the upper side. So here we need to be cautiously bullish, because if by any chance this market continues to see further weakness, there's a chance that we can easily fill in this week by dropping all the way to the 0.07256. And the moment that plays out, then Hbar will be giving us a reset of significant lows that we made last year in November 2024. That is on the 20th of November 2024. And the moment that plays out, we can also start to have to consider that this market can easily tank all the way to new bear market lows. So for now, we need to continue paying attention to key areas of support here on the Hbar chart, because a break of those significant areas can suggest more bearish case scenarios unfolding. And a break above key areas of resistances will be the start of the next upward movement here on the Hbar chart. So let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.